Hello to you, my jewelry maker friend. Today we are going to make a very beautiful wire earring that is simple and minimal, yet very beautiful, and also is a very good choice for the beginners. All we need is our wire of 1 millimeter in thick and also zero point 0.4 or 0.5. Our main tools: round nose pliers, chain nose pliers, and wire cutter. And of course, some kind of beads that you desire. Color, shape, the size, depends on you. Just let's go and see how it's going to be made. Then you could decide to change any part of this earring due to your taste. To start, pick up a cylindrical shape that we are going to wrap our 1 millimeter wire all around. This is going to be the hoop shape of the earring. So we pick up 1 millimeter wire and we start wrapping it all around this cylindrical shape. If there is some waves at the middle of the wire with the plastic part of your tool, you could just push it and hammer it a little so that it would be all good and straight. So we continue rolling it, and we need, of course, half of this circle and also a half circle on the wire, but a little more. I mean, if this is the half circle, about 1 centimeters on both sides, we need to have 2 little loops. So I would cut this wire out and I would check it out at the other side, and as you can see, it's somehow concave. So in a hard surface like a glass or any other hard surfaces, also you could push it with your plastic part of your tool to make it flat. Okay, this is what we call soft hammering, and you could use a plastic hammer too. And now we are going to make 2 little loops at both ends with our round nose pliers. So we put it here and rotate it to have a very little loop at both sides. Now we have a half round circle, and we are going to make the other half with our beads. So we start by putting them just like the other half circle to see approximately how many beads do we need to make this shape. So this is all good and perfect for my size. You could change it due to your loop size. And now to attach these beads together and also to the half round shape, we use the thinner wire about 0.4 or 0.5 millimeter thick, and we start to insert in every bead in. So one by one we insert the beads into the thinner wire. After inserting all beads in about 2 or 3 centimeters, leave a space to have wire coiling parts at both sides. So this would be the first one. So we throw the thinner wire into one of these loops, and we make a very little U shape with our round nose pliers, and we continue rotating that, and we pull this strand, and again we repeat doing that for at least 2 or 3 times to be fastened. And at the end, we should push the end part onto the work so that there wouldn't be any sharp edges. If your wire has changed its shape, no matter, it's okay. We could shape it again. And at the other side, we cut the wire out and we start weaving it. Wow, well, the beautiful hoop is almost ready, and just we need to add up a hook to this hoop, and we could use 0.8 or 1 millimeter thick wire. I'm using the 0.81, and for this earring I'm going to make first a very little loop, and then again another one, and at the other direction, just like when we make a hook for the earring. And at the other side, with a bigger loop, make the hook, and at the end bend, and we cut it out. We are going to insert the hoop into this part, and we push it so that there wouldn't be any gap in between. And that would be our very beautiful wire hoop. Hope you had enjoyed this tutorial. If you had liked this video, please comment for me. That is so precious. Hope you the best. I love you so much. Take care and bye-bye.